let's say you have a graph and it looks like this. Okay, this is what your graph looks like, and it looks like this. Okay, this is called a dot plot, and we know what a dot plot is. You all learned this in 7th grade. Okay, so with the dot plot, you have to do some setting up. So this set becomes, there's one 7.2, there's two 8.1s, there's one 9, and there's three 9.5s. And then one 6.7, sorry guys, that should say 9.7, I apologize. 9.7, okay? So here's your set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers total. So we know we have 8 total. 8 total numbers, okay? So you're gonna do the steps the exact same way that you just did it. Step 1. Take all the numbers in your set, add them up. You're going to find the average first. Okay, how we find the average? 7.2 plus 8.1 plus 8.1 plus 9.0 plus 9.5 plus 9.5 plus 9.5 plus 9.7. This is equal to, I don't know, let me grab a calculator and do some math really quick. $70.6, and then you have to divide by how many there are. We already counted that there were 8, so 8.825, okay? Normally I would have you guys round this, so this should become 8.83 because this 5 rounds this 2 up. So 8.83 is now my average, okay? Now I have to do the deviation part. So remember, the deviation part looks like step 2, deviation. Now this is the part you have to pay close attention to because you can very easily miss how to do this, okay? So every number, we're gonna find the distance from each of these numbers to this average. So 7.2 minus 8.83, 8.1 minus 8.83, 8.1 again minus 8.83 because it's listed twice, 9.0 minus 8.83, 9.5 minus 8.83, 9.5 again, and 9.5 a third time, because remember, it's 3 times, and then last one is 9.7 minus 8.83. So really quick, we're gonna put this in the calculator. And remember, if you get a negative number, you're supposed to make it positive. This is always going to give you positive numbers. So 7.2 minus 8.83 gives you negative 1.63, but we have to keep it as 1.63. 8.1 minus 8.83 gives you negative 0.73, but we have to make it positive, and we have that twice, so we know this is the same. And then 9 minus 8.83, 9 minus 8.83 is going to give you 0.17. 9.5 minus 8.83 is 0.67, and we have that 3 times, so we write that 3 times. And then the last one is 9.7 minus 8.83 is going to give you 0.87. So now we have all of our deviation numbers, okay? Now, last thing we're going to do is we're going to do step 3. Oh, let me slide this over. Step 3, we're going to take all of our deviation numbers. Oh. Step 3, we're going to take all of our deviation numbers and we're going to find the average again. Remember, this is the average a second time, which is going to give us our mean absolute deviation, which is 1.63 plus 0.73 plus 0.73 plus 0.17 plus 0.67 plus 0.67 plus 0.67 plus 0.87, right? So 1.63, 0.73, 0.73, 0.17, 67, 67, 67, and then 87. Add these all up. Let me do that math. Oops. 1.63 plus 0.73 plus 0.73 plus 0.17 plus 0.67, 0.67, 0.67 plus 0.87. 6.14, and then we have to divide by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, it should be the same as the top. Divide by 8. That's going to give you 0.7675, and you can round that to 0.77, but I'm going to leave that like this. So our mean absolute deviation is 0.7675. Okay.